Hey guys, let's go over the trade on copper. It's working out really well here. As you can see, TrendCloud got us into this trade. Let's go over the process. So we've got TrendCloud on the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, everything is in the green here. TrendCloud is green. The candles are green. We're even getting multiple signals to the upside here. And on your middle time frame, TrendCloud is also green. So you know that you've got two time frames where trend is in the same direction, which is up in this case, okay? Now, if you look down at your cycle indicator, you can see that this pullback is just being represented here. This corrective move is being represented here on your cycle indicator. Momentum was also down and is now just turning up. And this is just all play-by-play information that your TrendCloud system gives you to let you know, hey, this might not just blast off to the upside. We're going to take profits here on this trade. And actually, I'm going to follow this up. I want at least my 2-to-1. This was about a $200 risk, and I'm not going to give that up at this point, right? So we're going to take profits right here, and it's actually right here at the wick. So I'm going to be really conservative with this. I am not giving up. I'm not going to give up that type of money. This is, where are we at here? We're a little more than 3-to-1. We're almost at 4-to-1, right? And it's hitting the very bottom of that zone. Now, why am I being so conservative here with my stop and so tight on my stop loss? Take a look at CCI. CCI is part of your TrendCloud system. It looks like we may come. I cannot control what's going to happen here. I can only see the opportunity and take what I can get. And let's see if we can squeak out $700 here. I don't want to give that money up. The reason why I'm being so tight with all of this is because of this right here. TrendCloud is telling me, and here we go, okay? Come on. TrendCloud is telling me we're below -100. When you're below -100 on that middle time frame, guys, you cannot ignore that. You cannot ignore this little piece of information that's part of the TrendCloud process. This is telling me that right here, right at this point, when we enter this supply zone, there's enough momentum on this middle time frame to do something like this and come back down and retest. All right? We don't want that. We want this situation. We want this to maybe have some kind of small reaction here, okay, and move to the upside. That's what we're looking for. But we can only have this situation. CCI is above +100. Then we're more likely to have this situation. So I just wanted you guys to see that. It would look something like this. That's what we're looking for. But as of right now, the situation is against us. The momentum is against us. And we have more of a situation that could possibly, do something like this, okay, and bring this all the way back. We don't want to give up that money. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we get this. I'm just going to let everything run. It's almost time to go live and do our live show. Guys, if you haven't shown up to the live trading room, this is what we do in the TrendCloud live trading room. Go to either my YouTube channel or you can go to TradingView, and my username is @ChrisGiuliano. And you can just go over to streams here, right there, and just click onto that, and you will see us in here. You'll see my link in here to go live. So look what's happening here. We are getting a little bit of a pullback. It's hitting that supply zone and starting to reverse. If it reverses, hey, we've got ourselves $612.50. That is a 3-to-1 target. I'm happy with that. If we get a little bit more, great. But we have to be very aware. And TrendCloud allows you to make these decisions a lot easier because it's telling me, look, I know we're in an uptrend on both time frames, but we're cycling down. Momentum is kind of weak. We are below -100 on the middle time frame momentum. Let's take some targets and let's be conservative with our trade. Okay, guys? So I'm going to let this run and let's see what happens here. Well, as I was eating a little bit of breakfast here, it pulled back and we got stopped out for $612.50. Hey, you know what? That's okay. That's what the market gave us, and that's what we took. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.